Hello guys, I'm Rolfan and I'm back with another video. So this video is an intro to my series which I'm going to be making over the next few days, which is about Pygame. So Pygame is a library in Python which helps us make games using Python. And even the Python is not engineered to make games like take C sharp or C++, it still is pretty useful in making AI or just making simple games like Flappy Bird and Space Invaders. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is just you'll have to have install Python in your desktop or your computer. And I already have Python 3.9 as you've seen in my earlier videos. And then you'll need an IDLE like always. So we can just search over here. If you are using ideally using Python, then you can just open this up and actually we need to download this using command prompt because it's not PyCharm. So we have to write down pip install pygame, and now pygame is downloaded. It should look a bit different for you. Okay, and after that, if you're using PyCharm, then you can just search up PyCharm, open this up, go to file, go to new project settings, go to Python 3.9 and add pygame. Search this up and add it. As you can see over here. After it's installed, we just code a basic game loop so that we have the very basic of making a game down. So what I'm going to be doing now is basically just making a screen where we are going to be playing this, as every game needs a screen. So first we'll need to import this into our project. Import pygame, and then you have to initiate pygame dot initiate, and then let's make a variable to show our screen in is equal to pygame dot display dot set mode, and let's make this an equal 576 to 576. So this is basically the breadth and the height. And now we'll like when we run this flappy bird over here, you guys can see it just appears for a split second and then it goes away. That's because haven't made a loop. By like when that loop is true, this game will keep running, and when it becomes false, it'll stop. So to make a loop, you just write down while true, we have to pygame dot display dot update this, and what this does is basically just persists. It just helps in persisting our screen over here in simple words. And as you can see, we can't use any of these buttons over here, otherwise it will become not responding. So we'll have to force close this. So to make sure that those work, we'll have to go over here for event in pygame dot event dot get. This is a function, by the way. So we'll have to search that if the event we are searching has the type of pygame dot quit with all capitals over here, then we'll have to initiate the pygame dot quit function. And now when I run this, you guys can see that we can close this, we can minimize this. So yeah, this is just the basics for our Pygame screen, and in the next video I'll teach you some more basic we'll have to import some characters into our PyCharm and then we'll start working with them. So I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.